Hi students, welcome to Chakravarti e-classroom. As I have promised you, every day I am giving you at least one session free of cost. I think we had already 5 sessions, 3 sessions on time and work and 2 sessions on puzzle. And today we are going to take one more session on puzzle. I am going to explain this question. This question has already been sent to you in our Telegram channel and most of the students must have got the solution also. I request all our students who have joined Telegram channel to make this news viral so that many students may be benefited. Alright, now start the question here. Here, this question can be considered as a moderate level question, not advanced level, moderate level question. This type of questions you can expect in preliminary examinations, not only in bank exams, but many competitive exams they are giving questions based on this type of logics, right? Now, how to go for this one? First, read the information how they have given students. Total 7 persons they have given, and they have born on 7th September something they have given in different years. This is important. 7 persons, different years, 1989, 94 and so on they have given, but not necessarily in the same order. Then one more information, each of them was born in different countries. See students, I told you in our basic classes how to start the puzzle. If you know how to start the puzzle, almost 50% of the solution is yours. How to start that one? Based on the columns. How many columns are required, you have to decide it first. How many columns are required? That based on how many variables they have given. Here in this question, they have given 3 variables. Persons, followed by year of birth, then followed by the country from where they are coming. Alright, so 3 variables are there, 3 columns are required. One thing is clear. What's the second one? With which column I have to start this one? One more important thing. You can start with any column you want, students. For example, you may start with persons, or you may start with years, or you may start with the name of the countries also. But in our basic classes, I told you clearly, when you get a puzzle based on months, dates, or years, you better to start with that one. Many advantages are there with it. I explain you clearly. So here I am starting with the years. What are the years they have given? From 1989, 89, 94, 96. I am taking here 1989, then 1990, what is that one? 94, 96, 94. Okay, now on the right side you find the persons here. On the right side, persons, again on the right side you will get the countries from where they are coming. And I am keeping this one for rough work. What is the next rule, students? First read the information, make that one in the rough work column. Then after that, whenever you feel it is convenient to bring the data to the puzzle, go for that and keep the positive on the right side, negative on the left side. These are all, I can say these are all very important principles or rules to solve a puzzle. Okay, now that first information here, neither F nor B, negative information you see, neither F nor B was born in France or Brazil. I cannot keep that information on the chart. If you are able to keep the information on the chart, positive right, negative on the left finally. But here nothing is there. I am going to go with the rough work. F and B, not in France and Brazil they have given. So I am writing here F and B have not born in France or BRAZ. I am writing Brazil. Over. I cannot bring this information onto the chart as of now. Go for the next information here. G was born in India and after at least 3 persons. Very important information here. What is that? First one, G born in India. Over. This is okay, but the next information, born in India and after at least 3 persons. Now you see they have given very clearly that age of the person calculated with respect to 2020 something is given. The inner meaning of this one is after he is the eldest person, right? Because they are calculating based on 2020 eldest person and he is the youngest one. They have given that G was born at least after 3 persons. That means G was born on 2001 or 5 or 7 or 14. You have to place G on the chart here or here. Only 4 places are possible. When 4 places are possible, shall I start the question with 4 different possibilities? keeping G one time at one place, second time, third time. No, you should not do in that way, because ample of time will be wasted. You wait for some more information and try to eliminate that one without writing anything on the paper. Okay, now next information what they have given, A is that's over, that's over, that's over. Then after that G was born over. Next A is 2 years younger than C, who was born in Iraq. Now how to take this one? A is 2 years younger. I cannot take directly onto the chart. Let me keep it first on the rough work here. A is 2 years younger to C. I am writing 2 here, and he is from Iraq. I am writing IR. But one hidden information is here. One clue is here. What is that one? A is 2 years younger to C. That means here only two possibilities are like that. What are the two possibilities? 94, 96, 2 years gap. Again 2005, 2007, 2 years gap. What did you understand from this one? If I keep C here, definitely I should keep A here. If I keep C here, definitely I should keep A here. How fantastically, right? This is the way to go for the puzzle. So here two possibilities. From 4 possibilities, I have reduced that one to 2 here. This is CA one possibility or CA other possibility. No other years you got a 2 years gap. But still students, still we will wait for some more time, go for the other data, correlate with one another and try to eliminate even the second possibility also. Okay, right, go for the next information here. A's information is over. D was born in Vietnam. This is the direct information. I cannot keep again on the chart. D was born VTNM. I am writing. It's a positive information. Then go for the next one here. 2 persons were born between the birth of G and E. Most important information. Why is this most important? Because already I am having some clue with the G. Your mind should work in this way. Your mind must work in this way. Already some information is given about G, and again they are giving one more clue with G. So you need to combine these two and try to find out the hidden data from that one, which is useful for us. Alright, now here the information is 2 persons are born between G and E here. How to take it forward here? Between G and E. G, 1, 2 persons and it is E. Either it is in this way or E, 1, 2 and G. But observe carefully, in the next information itself they have given E is younger than G. What do you mean by that one? E is younger than G means this is younger, this is elder. So the second possibility is ruled out. I am taking this one out. Alright. Now students, you see very clearly, successfully I have reduced that one to only one possibility. What is that one? G's possible places are 2001, 5, 7, 14. Now here clearly below G 3% should be there on the chart. So only one fixed place for G, that is this one. Understood this, right? Now here G 2 persons and E successfully have done this one. Now what is your next job? Am I able to bring any information onto the chart now? What's the related one? So far F and B no information. G of course I have taken here and he is from India. I'm just keeping this one India here, right? Then AC's information is there. Try for this one. Again the same thing. CA here consecutively or CA. No other way for me, right? Wait for the next information students, what they have given. Now F was born just before B. F was born just before B. I'm doing it here. F was born just before B. Whenever you want to bring this one onto the chart, both should look consecutively. Now your brain should work here now. What is that? There are two things here. A and C, C and A should look consecutively. Similarly, F and B. How to bring that one into the chart here? Suppose this is the either case. What is that one? Suppose I keep C and A here, definitely I should keep F and B here, or vice versa. If I keep C and A here, definitely I should keep F and B there. Nothing more than that one. Alright, now go for the next information here clearly. Then after that, at least 3 persons were born between D's and C's birth year. How fantastic information here, right? At least 3 persons between D and C, right? How to take this one further? At least 3 persons between C and D, right? So let's take in this way. Suppose this is C, 1, 2, 3 and it must be D, or this is D, 1, 2, 3, this must be C. Immediately your mind should work. What is that one? Another information is there which is connecting with C, that is A's. What is that? A and C should look together consecutively on the chart. How? C above, A below. Suppose if you want to go with this one, it must be A, no other way. If you want to go with this one, this must be A. That's it. Now again students, 4 more possibilities are there, but you should not venture into taking 4 there. You need not write anything on the paper, because I have combined information here. Now if I want to take this one onto the chart, what happens? You just try to visualize that one. How to visualize? Suppose I try with this one. I am taking CA. Where shall I keep? These two or these two? Now go for this one. Suppose if I keep CA here, okay, no problem, CA followed by 2 places and D. CA, remember this one, I am not writing anything for you sake. CA, 2 places, D. Of course I can go, but one thing is violated. What is that one? F and B's place. Where will you keep F and B? If you keep C here, A here, 2 places, D, everything is covered here, 2 consecutive places are not available for F and B. That means this is ruled out for these 2 places, CA. Then after that, you go for these 2 here. Suppose CA. If I keep C and A here, below that 3 positions should be there below A. Not possible. How easily we have to eliminate this one without writing anything on the paper. So clearly students, this is ruled out. Not my cup of tea. Over this is. Okay, now finally I am going for this one. How to keep this? Take CA as the base. How shall I go here? Suppose if I keep C and A here, above C 3 more places are there, not possible. So without writing anything on the paper, I have eliminated 3 possibilities there. Only one possibility is left out, keeping CA according to this one. So if I keep this one C and A here, C, this is C, this is A, above that 1, 2, 3 places and D, there is a room for F and B consecutively. This is the best way to solve the puzzles. Right, now I am keeping this one here. This is C confirmed, this is A, and above C 1, 2, 3 and this is given to D. 2 places room for, what is the sequence here, F and B. I am keeping F and B. See students, successfully we have done this one. How much time would it be taking for you? Not more than 1 minute, I am telling you. Yes, practically I am telling you. If you have adequate practice, within 1 minute you can come to this extent after reading the data. Alright, now go for the next information quickly. Take the positive information. G from India I have taken. Now D is from Vietnam. VTNM I am writing. Over. Right, then after that what's the positive information? C from Iran. IR I am writing, just for our understanding. Now go for the negative information. F and B are not from France and Brazil. Now this is F is not from France, not from Brazil. B, not from France, Brazil. And the last information we have not taken, E was not born in Brazil here. So this is 2014, right? E was not born, I'm just taking this one out. Okay, so this is 2014. E was not born born on in Brazil. Okay, right. Next information, you see, from negative side, go to the positive. How is that one? If you observe carefully, 1, 2, 3, 4 vacancies are there, but at 3 places Brazil is ruled out because it's on the negative side. Only one place is left out for Brazil is this one. I'm writing BRAZ. Over. Now go to France here, students. Here 1, 2, 3 vacancies are there, but 2 vacancies are prohibited for France. Only 1 vacancy is there, that is France. Done. Now go for the information. Any other positive or related information about these two? No. 2 countries are left out. What are the 2 countries left out here? I have taken all things except Egypt and Spain. Now here this is either Egypt or Spain, either Spain or Egypt. This is how exactly you need to crack the questions. Hope you must have understood this one. Rather than understanding, you must have learnt something here. Step by step you have to go. See students, in our regular courses, I have discussed puzzle in such a way that even a beginner can do miracles. Okay, so everything is good. I hope you must have got the idea, and in the next session I am going to come out with one more very good and interesting puzzle. Thank you very much students.